Natural doesn't mean unprocessed. It means the final product matches nature's version. So here's the big difference between bioidentical and traditional synthetic hormones. Synthetic versions, like Primarin, Provera, have different molecule structures. Primarin, for example, comes from pregnant mare's urine and contains horse estrogens that don't exist in humans. Because of that difference, your body metabolizes them differently, and that's part of why those older studies showed higher risks, more side effects, more inconsistencies.